Okay, murakoze. Nitwa Didas Niyibizi, ndi umunyamakuru wa Flash FM na Flash TV. Nifuzaga nubwo wenda bari babikomojeho ariko badusubiriremo zimwe mu nguni zatumye Beka yunguka cyane. Ni iki cyafashije mubona, ni hehe mwashyizemo imbaraga cyane, ni iki cyatumye iyo sector imwe ariyo yatumye ubukungu bwa Beka buzamuka? Hama utubwire, Beka ni banki ikomeje cyane no kuzamura iby'ikoranabuhanga. Ubona ikoranabuhanga ryarafashije iki kugira ngo Beka kugeza ubu mu Rwanda iba ari banki ihagaze neza, niba ariko twabavuga nk'uko benshi babyemera? Murakoze.
Murabizi neza ko akazi ka banki ni kwakira amafaranga y'abakiriya bayo, hanyuma ikayaha abantu bayakeneye kugira ngo bashyire mu bikorwa bigaragara bizana inyungu. Rero iyo banki yabikoze nayo irunguka. Iyo ureba imibare yacu usanga amafaranga twahaye abakiriya bacu nk'inguzanyo ageze kuri miliyari 481. So nukuvuga hafi miliyari 500 niyo nguzanyo Beka yatanze mu bakiriya bayo kugeza kuri iki gice cya mbere cy'umwaka. Nukuvuga ko ari amafaranga menshi iyo ugereranyije n'amafaranga twatanze umwaka ushize, usanga byariyongereye bigatuma natwe inyungu yacu yiyongera. Ariko nanone abakiriya bacu baratugana batuzanira amafaranga yabo kugira ngo bizigamire, kugira ngo n'abantu bahembwa amafaranga yabo agaca muri banki. Twebwe nka banki nayo mafaranga dutanga tuyahamo inguzanyo abantu, business zitandukanye n'abantu bashaka gukora ibikorwa bitandukanye. Rero nabo bantu bariyongereye, umubare w'abakiriya wiyongereye, amafaranga batuzanira nayo yariyongereye, ku buryo nibyo bituma banki yacu ikomeza kugira gukura mu bikorwa ikanunguka neza nk'uko abashoramari muri banki babishaka. Ikindi kibazo yabajije ku ikoranabuhanga, wenda ndaza kubwira Regis anyunganire. Turashyiraho ingufu nyinshi cyane mu ikoranabuhanga. Vincent yababwiye igikorwa twatangiye cya Singombwa Cash, tubwira abantu bakoreshe telefoni yabo kugira ngo babone inguzanyo. Muzi product dufite yitwa Be Quick, umuntu ashobora kwiguriza amafaranga kuri telefoni atarinze kujya muri banki. Turabwira abantu bakoreshe telefoni zabo kugira ngo bishyure imisoro, kugira ngo bishyure amazi, umuriro n'ibindi byinshi, ntibafate umwanya kuza muri banki bakajya ku mirongo. Turabwira abantu bakoreshe karite zabo, kuko umuntu ufite karita ni nka cash, aho kujya kuri ATM gufata amafaranga umuntu yakwishyura afite karita akayikoresha muri POS. Nibyo bintu dukangurira abantu kugira ngo abantu aho bari hose bashobora gukora transactions, bashobora kwishyura, kohereza amafaranga, ntibarinde kuza muri banki kugira ngo babikore, ko tubona ko ari byo bizatuma nabo bakora neza mu bikorwa byabo bakanazunguka, bigatuma natwe nka banki tuzunguka. Ariko reka mbwire Regis anyunganira.
Murakoze. Nkuko babivuze, dushyize ingufu nyinshi cyane mu bijyanye no gukoresha ikoranabuhanga, ndetse ku by'umwihariko nka group tukaba dukomeje no kwinvestisa gushora imari mu zindi secteur, harimo nk'umubizi mu buhinzi. Yanga bumva radio mumaze iminsi mwumva Smart Nkunganire, aho bahamagarira abahinzi gufata ifumbire n'imbuto. Iyo nito twayikoze, mwabonye abahinzi bayikoresha barenze miliyoni n'ibihumbi 200. Ndetse dukomeza none gushora imari mu ikoranabuhanga bijyanye no mu mashuri, aho dufite abayikoresha barenze 160, harimo ababyeyi, abanyeshuri, abarimu. Ibyo byose rero bituma abatumenya ntibatumenyera gusa kuma amafaranga n'izindi services z'agaciro tubaha ducishije muri izo product zindi. Mu minsi imbere murakomeza mwumva byinshi muhishiwe bijyanye n'ikoranabuhanga, aho duhera ku byo dutanga nka bank, ariko noneho tukarenzaho noneho nka technology n'ibya insurance ndetse n'ibya Peki Capital bikazaho.
Murakoze. Nitwa Ruzige Emmanuel Masantura, nkorera RBA. Mr. Vincent, niba ikinyarwanda ucyumva neza waza kudufasha kutunyuriramo mu ya mibare wavuze mu cyongereza gatoya, kuko byibura hari aho wavuze mu buryo busa n'ubuhinnye ku bigo byose, byadufasha mu kinyarwanda. Hanyuma icyo nifuza ko mwadusobanurira, murimo muragaruka ko muzashyira ku isoko ry'imari n'imigabane rya Kenya rya Nairobi imigabane ya banki ya Kigali. Nifuza kumenya ntago mwapreshije ni ryari nubwo muri kuvuga muri mwaka niba bishoboka ko mwaduha igihe kugira ngo duse n'abambere dutanze abandi aya makuru.
Abakiriya baganiye banka mu mezi 6 bari 292 barimo retail 268 na business cyangwa corporate 24. Ikindi nasobanuye ko agents network ni hahandi haba hari agents atari bank branch, ari umuntu ukora business ariko ushobora kugenda uka transact, ushobora gukura amafaranga cyangwa ukabitsa. Babaye 1441 transactions zakozwe ni 916 zihwanye na miliyari 50. Ama branch yakomeje kuba 76, hanyuma ATMs ziba 94 na POS 1412. Mu bijyanye na deposits twagize miliyari 129 urebye kuri retail, hanyuma na miliyari 243 kuri businesses cyangwa corporates. Hanyuma kuri ya product ya smart nkunganire ikoreshwa mu buhinzi, twavuze yuko bashoboye kugira abayikoresha bangana na miliyoni 1,200,000. Hanyuma ku yindi system nanone ya BK Tech House yitwa Urubuto ikoreshwa mu mashuri, yagize users cyangwa abayikoresha 160. Hanyuma mu bijyanye na uko insurance yungutse, sinzi uko nakwita net premiums, ariko net premiums zabaye miliyari 1 na miliyoni 100, byiyongereyeho 84 ugereranyije n'umwaka ushize. Hanyuma ikindi cyanyuma kitari imibare navuze ni kijyanye na cashless campaign cyangwa twise singombwa cash, cyane cyane yari kubiyemo Be Quick, CEO yayivuzeho, aho ushobora kwiguza amafaranga kuri telefone. Ikindi cya kabiri cyarimo ni BK app, n'ikindi cyanyuma cya e-banking. Kandi navuze yuko twabonye abantu benshi, twabonye ubwiyongere bwinshi cyane mu gukoresha izi platforms twa launches uyu mwaka uko ari 3. Murakoze.
Kubijyanye na gahunda banki ifite yo kujya ku isoko ry'imari n'ibigabane muri Kenya i Nairobi, ibikorwa byo kwitegura bigeze kure. Murabizi ko banki kubera ibikorwa byayo bigenda byaguka biba byinshi, tuzajya ku isoko ry'imari tubwire abanyamigabane bongera imigabane yabo kuko tubona ko ibikorwa byo gutera inkunga bibaye byinshi. Hanyuma turanateganya kujya i Nairobi. Ibikorwa bigeze kure, hari approvals nyinshi zikenewe nibyo turimo, ariko icyo tubizeza ko nuko bizakorwa uyu mwaka, bitarenze uyu mwaka bizaba nibigenda neza bizaba byacimo uyu mwaka.
Manuel Nkangura, I work for Chimp Reports. Nari mfite ikibazo ku bijyanye na shares. Mubaye mufite imibare mwatubwira ukuntu shares abantu baba baraguze shares zanyu kuri stock exchange market, hanyuma kuba mugiye kujya muri Kenya murabona hari ukuntu bizongera uburyo shares zanyu zagurwaga, ese bihagaze bite mu buryo bwa shares?
Isoko rya Nairobi rimaze gutera imbere cyane, rifite abantu benshi cyane baguriramo imigabane. Icyo twizeye nuko tuzaha access aba bantu bose, wenda bamwe badashobora kuza Kigali tuzaba twabasanze aho bakorera, ku buryo twizeye ko tuzabona abaguzi benshi, n'igiciro cy'imigabane yacu wenda ikazungukiramo kuko twabona benshi bashaka kugura imigabane ya banki ya Kigali.
Thank you Diane. Share price ya BK iracyahagaze kuri 290. Uyu mwaka wose niho share price yacu ya trading hagati ya 290 na 295, kandi utanga amakuru buri munsi y'imigabane iri available ku isoko yo kugura. so turasaba abantu bose bashobora kugana BK Capital hano muri ofisi yacu muri BK kugira ngo mugure imigabane cyane cyane ko muzi ko ibikorwa bigeze kure yo ku cross listing muri Kenya. Murakoze.
I wanted to say a bit in detail. If you talk about regulatory approvals delaying somehow, I know you have started a process. Where exactly are you? Have you asked the Rwandan regulator? Have you written to him? Secondly, Karin, I think we were asked about the performance of the share. That's fine. I don't know whether you have those figures. How was the appetite on your counter? I mean, looking at how many shares were traded, how many were bought. And maybe you should also explain why has it remained flat a year at 290. If I bought it in January, why is it flat? The good thing is not falling. But when you look at the health results, I expected a share either to rise to the levels that reflect the strength of the bank. Thirdly, on the insurance, I don't see my link man from the insurance. I was asking about the drivers of the growth. Other insurance companies are struggling, but BK, I think the shareholders are laughing all their way to the banks. Thank you very much.
As far as the insurance sector is concerned, maybe, I don't know if you were in attendance this morning at the monetary policy statement. The sector is coming back to profitability. It's not BKGI only that is profitable. The sector is being profitable, and we are happy with that. And this is thanks to the regulatory improvement that has the regulatory environment that has improved over the past couple of months. Obviously, the biggest business in insurance is motor insurance, and when that business line is not doing well, the whole of the insurance sector is affected. So, as at June 2018, that sector has improved because you obviously know the improvement in the prices, the premiums, and that has driven the performance of the insurance sector. And obviously, as a shareholder in BKGI, I agree with you. We are very happy with the performance.
On the insurance side, Kabona, you'd see that many things have happened this year. You'd see that there was repricing of the motor premium at the beginning of the year, and that was really loss-making by a lot because of a high level of claims. And also a lot of operating efficiencies driven by close monitoring from the regulators and so forth. So the insurance sector is doing well generally, although we would like it to be only a BK story. We are happy with our performance. We think there's still room to do a lot more. And the market is quite young, and the opportunities are very vast. I think on the other question was Karin to give us an update on the market performance, on the demand.
Shares traded, BK stock traded about 2 million shares. If you look at, on average, the trade performance in last quarter, and on the price, I think can just mention the fact that because of very few trading happening on the market, you don't see all the stock prices moving much, and we expect this to improve with the cross-listing because of the fact that Nairobi Stock Exchange is more liquid. But I think our stock exchange is growing as we expect in the future having more will create more liquidity. Therefore, it will definitely have an impact on the movement of price. But as you mentioned correctly, the price have performed very well if you compare to other stock, being at 2, because it has sustained a price of 290 for the last year.
My name is Collins Moy. I write for the New Times Daily. I have brief follow-up questions. First, what are your projections for this year? And even though you don't want to mention, is it around 28 billion? Is it more or less? Second is, considering that the sectors that were receiving, that were most attractive to banks, that was to lending, that was the hospitality sector and the real estate, they are no longer attractive. They are saturated, they are increasingly having NPLs. What are the new sectors for Beka? What will be your priority sectors going forward, or what sectors are you eyeing at the moment? Thank you.
Still a good projection. We are having a better second half than the first half was. So we are still hoping that we can achieve that target. In terms of new we expect to see a high demand of loans in the manufacturing sector in line with the Made in Rwanda campaign by government. We also expect to see a higher demand for residential mortgages because the supply side is being addressed. We've seen a number of projects almost breaking ground to supply affordable homes for Rwandans, and we are hoping we'll be able to increase our mortgage book in the next year or two. But also in hospitality, because of the MICE strategy that is bearing fruit, Rwanda is now, I think, the third destination for MICE on the continent, and we are seeing a lot of movement there, so we expect also that sector to grow. But Natalie will tell us the highest NPL, in which sector the highest NPL is, and maybe also coming to support what I just said.
On the projection 28, when you look at it, you can do 1 + 1 = 2, right? First half is usually slower. We've got 13.4 billion. You do that times 2 will mean around 26. So worst case scenario, you are looking at between 26 to 28. We think the other banks, as you mentioned, are not struggling based on the result that we've seen today. We see profitability is increasing. We see level of NPLs dropping, and the growth that we showed earlier on the chart showed that the total asset of the commercial banks are growing quite heavily. So we think together we'll have a good second half, and we also project that from the economy with better other indicators. So we think the projection of 28 is doable. However, it's something that is subject to many other things that are beyond our control, and it's in the future. On the NPLs, we saw a lot of resistance last year on hotels. We think it's not a struggling sector as such. It's just more that there were many other bigger brands that came in the market at the same time last year or in the recent past. We think there are many ways that we can turn this around by doing other things with them, and we are working with our clients to see that the hotel industry is performing better. Also, from the result that we saw today from the market-wide NPL, the decreased trend from last year on the NPL suggests that things are turning better. So manufacturing is the new area of growth, and we think the NPLs there are going to be quite well managed, if any, because of better export result. On other sectors of NPLs, we've seen higher on the retail and SMEs. Again, when you look at how we are doing things nowadays, it's very different to the way we used to do things in the past. With mobile lending, you are looking at auto-scoring a client based on historical data that you are holding on the client. That in itself will translate into better quality of the retail portfolio. And together with the SME, when you're looking at what the tech house is bringing on board in terms of information that you would use to assess the quality of the loans that you're giving the sectors that used to be higher NPL. So I think generally NPL will improve going forward.
Nitwa Jean-Claude Munyantore, nkora Kigali Today. Nashaka kubabaza kuri iriya gahunda ya Bigereho na Beka yabaye umwaka ushize. Ese haba hari uruhare yagize mu rwunguko Beka yagize muri uno mwaka? Niba ruhari, ndavuga muri aya mezi 6 murimo kutugaragariza. Niba ruhari mwarutubwira. Hanyuma ese iriya gahunda yitabiriwe n'abantu bangana gute? Murakoze.
twabonye abakiriya bashasha barenga 33,000 which is very good. Yango mwabonye muri increase yabaye ku bakiriya twasavinze muri first half of 2018. So tubikesha bigereho. Ikindi mu mibare twerekanye harimo nanone kwiyongera kunini muri retail deposits, nabyo ahanini byavuye muri campaign ya bigereho. So twavuga muri rusange ko twungutse abakiriya, tubona deposits, then tubona abandi bantu bagana bank bashoboye no kwaka inguzanyo. Murakoze.
Ubutumwa twatwara nuko nkuko Natalie yabivuze 1+1 is 2. Bisobanuye iki? Bisobanuye ko Bank of Kigali plus all of you equals profitability. Murakoze cyane.